The teenagers who we met today were the ones who actually expressed their wish for parents to communicate. And it was the children, the teenagers who were here, who said communication is a two-way process. It's never a one-way process. They also need to be heard.
Good morning. Okay. Bengizacela uqale ngibonge ithuba enginikezwe lona ukuthi ngikhulume phambili namhlanje. Ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi abathola leli thuba kodwa ngizobonga ngokuthi ngitholile ngibonge nodadewethu esifike nabo namhlanje ukuthi sitholile ithuba ukuthi sikhulume noma singakhulumi sonke abesikwazi ukufika la sabona abanye abantu abangakazi batholele lelo thuba sibalekile. So ngingumalwande mina waNkosi ngizobe ngikhuluma ngepoint ye self yabo. It's self-esteem, self-motivation, lezo zinto lezi ezihambisana no-self angithi. Abazali bethu bajwayele ukusitshela ukuthi noma abantu like ama-motivator lezo zinto basijwayele ukusitshela ngama-self-esteem, self-motivation lezo zinto. Kodwa-ke into abangayibheka ukuthi i-pressure noma i-influence is much stronger than self-motivation and self-patriotism. Awukwazi ukuthi uma wenza mhlawumbe ngenza into wrong noma wena wenza into wrong mase ucabanga mhlawumbe mina ngizokwazi ukuthi ngishintshe. Kufanele ungitshele ukuthi self-motivation ikanje. Most of the time ama-teenager ngizokhuluma, most of the time izinto esizenzayo zi-influencer izinto esizibonayo noma abangani bethu noma imindeni yethu. I-self-motivation ne-self-esteem into elow kakhulu kodwa iyona edingakala kakhulu. Kunzima ukuthi uyithole uyigain futhi. Kunzima iyadingakala ne, but it's hard to maintain and it's hard to have. Looking sure. Akwazi ukuthi ufike wenza into kumele ukuthi self-motivation. Mina ngisho ngiyami Paul, mina ukuze ngithole i-self-motivation noma i-self-esteem back yami, ngiyadinga ukuthi ngibe nomuntu engizokhuluma naye ukuze ngiyigain. Angikwazi ukuyigayina ngedwa. Ngiyazi ukuthi angikho strong ngaleyo ndlela. So awukwazi ukungi-expect ukuthi ngiyenze i-self-motivation. No girl, lento eyenzakele, okay, it's a mistake. Learn to love yourself, self-love, self-image. How am I supposed to do that when you can't even make an example of what it means? So, ngicela ukuthi uma usukhuluma ngama-points esiwashilo uzama ukuthi uthole indlela yokuthi sisizakale ukuze sithole ilo self-motivation because siyayileka ngempela. Ave kulula ukusho kumuntu ukuthi you like this but awazi ukuthi ngiluze kanjani futhi awazi ukuthi kuzothatha amandla kanjani ukuze ngiyithole back. Uma usukhuluma-ke ngisacela-ke